Do you want to know the secret to setting up your crawl space, but with the least amount of crawling possible?
M2O has been in quite a few crawl spaces over the years, so we've come up with some great tips to save your time and your knees.
Create a detailed inventory. Map out what is stored where with detailed photos and labeled storage bins. Transparent containers let you identify contents without opening them. Add large, visible labels on multiple sides so you can spot what you need from a distance.
Create access aisles. Arrange storage in rows with clear pathways between them, like a miniature warehouse. This helps you reach items without climbing over boxes or squeezing into tight spots. Also, try adding shelving to maximize the height of your space.
Store items near the entrance. Keep frequently accessed items like holiday decorations or seasonal gear within arm's reach. Reserve the far reaches for truly long-term storage.
If you do need to do a deep dive, implement a one-trip retrieval system. Bring a headlamp, gloves, knee pads, and a bag or cart to gather multiple items in one go.
Implementing one or more of these strategies will ensure that you have a functional crawl space while crawling less. Let us know your favorite strategies in the comments below. Bye!
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. You can also check us out on our other social media platforms for all of the tips and tricks. For everything from home organizing to move management, Team M2O has your back. We'll see you next time on M2O TV.
Map out what is stored where and keep frequently accessed items like holiday decor or seasonal decoration. This isn't a decoration.
So we've come up with...
Not ready.